Hi everyone, my name is Mike and I'm back with another video in our compliance series. Today, we tackle PCI compliance. What is PCI compliance and why is PCI compliance important to almost every business out there? PCI compliance is mandated by credit card companies to help ensure the security of credit card transactions. PCI compliance standards require that merchants and all businesses handle credit card information in a secure manner. This helps reduce the likelihood that cardholders would have sensitive financial account information stolen. If merchants do not handle credit card information according to PCI standards, the card information could be hacked and used for a multitude of fraudulent actions. Being PCI compliant means consistently adhering to a set of guidelines set forth by the PCI Standards Council, an organization formed in 2006 for the purpose of managing the security of credit cards. The requirements developed by the Council are known as the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standards, PCI DSS. PCI DSS has 6 major objectives, 12 key requirements, 78 base requirements, and over 400 test procedures. The guidelines are also considered security best practices. Its 6 major requirements include the following. 1. Build and maintain a secure network and systems. 2. Protect cardholder data. 3. Maintain a vulnerability management program. 4. Implement strong access control measures. 5. Regularly monitor and test networks. 6. Maintain an information security policy. All companies that process credit card information are required to maintain PCI compliance as directed by their card processing agreements. PCI compliance is the industry standard, and business without it can result in substantial fines for agreement violations and negligence. Have questions about PCI compliance? Our team is here to help. Feel free to connect through our website, give us a call on the phone, or send us an email. We are here to help.